Hello and welcome to J&G Electric. Question is, do you have an electric meter that looks like this? Do you see the corrosion that is inside this meter and the rust? This is a meter that was probably done in the 50s, maybe the 40s, maybe the 60s. But what you really want to pay attention to is you need to probably install a new replacement meter. Do you have flickering lights? This could be a possible problem. That's what it actually looked like before we got started. Questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to J&G Electric Company. We are coming up on our 38th year of service. We're very excited to serve you, and if you have any questions, reach out to Joey directly on his cell phone, 301-801-6061, and or alternatively, you can go to jngelectric.com. Thanks for viewing, and if you like the content, please subscribe for your new updated messages that come periodically throughout the year. Again, when you think of electricity, think of J&G Electric. Quality is no accident. We look forward to your call and helping you soon. Have a great day.